Hi students, let's see exercise 3.3 part 1. I'm going to read the question carefully. See, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. What is the question? Solve the following pair of linear equation. Solve means to find out the value of the variables. But what method we have to use? Substitution method. So this is a new method. So careful, I'll be teaching you properly. Ready? So let's start the work. The first question. Question number 1. X plus y equals 14 and x minus y equals 4. There are two equations already given in the question. So what you will do first? First, you have to write this is equation number 1. After that, this will be equation number 2. See, they given already in the question two equations. So the first equation I am writing equation number 1 and the second I am writing equation number 2. Ready? One more time the same equation 1. What is that? X plus y equals 14. After that, I'll be keeping y in the left side. So this equals 14 is already in the right side. This x from left to right, when it goes, what will happen? Yes, it will be minus x. Ready? See what we done? I'm taking the first question one more time. After that, I will keep y here and x will carry to the next side. Ready? So this is equation number 3. Ready? After that, what we'll do? The method is substitution, isn't it? So we'll write substitute the value of y in equation number 2. See, we got the value of y from equation 1. So that value you have to put in the second equation. Don't put in the first equation. Ready? So what we done? From first equation we got the value of y. That value we are substituting into the second equation, isn't it? Therefore, equation 2 implies, see, this implies, what is the second equation? X minus y. In place of y, we have to put this value, isn't it? So that is 14 minus x. Because of minus, put one bracket. Ready? This equals, next side, 4. See, we are putting the value of y in the second equation. See, second equation is x minus y equals 4. X minus y means this value equals 4. Implies x minus. We are opening with minus. Minus into 14. Minus 14. Minus into minus. Plus. After that, x equals 4. Ready? Now, see, x plus x. 1 mango plus 1 mango. 2 mangoes, isn't it? That means 2x equals 4 is already here. Now what I am doing means minus 14 will carry to next side. Ready? That means it will be plus 14. That means what you will get? 4 plus 14, that is 18. That is 2x equals 18. Therefore, x equals 18. See, 2x means 2 is multiplying. So, multiplication goes next side, divide, isn't it? So, divided by 2. Ready? Now, we'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 how many times? 18. 2 9s are. So, we got the answer 9. X equals 9. Ready? Now, we'll write substitute x equals 9 in equation 3. Ready? Now this value, the value of x, we will put into the third equation. Ready? Therefore, equation 3 implies, see, equation 3 is y equals 14 minus, in place of x, what you will write now? 9 equals 14 minus 9. Yes, 5. So we got it now. Therefore, x equals 9 and y equals 5. These are the values. Ready? Let's go to the next question now. Let us see the next question. Question number 2. See, I'll read the question once. S minus t equals 3. That is equation number 1. Second equation, s by 3 plus t by 2 equals 6. That is equation number 2. See the first equation, s minus t equals 3. From this, what we understand? See, s and t are the variables. In place of x and y, this question gives s and t. So, we have to find out the values of s and t. Ready? So, we put first as equation number 1, second as equation number 2. See, now what you will do? This minus t will carry to next side. Ready? Therefore, s equals 3 is already here, t goes next side, plus t. So, 3 plus t. Ready? So, we got it now. s equals 3 is already here in the right side and minus t goes next side. Minus t goes next side, it will be plus. This is equation number 3. Substitute the value of s in equation 2. We got from equation 1, so we will put into the second equation. Therefore, equation 2 implies see s by 3. Second equation is s by 3. S means we will write 3 plus t. That means in place of s, what you will write? 3 plus t divided by 3. This is s by 3. In place of s, we will write 3 plus t. Ready? Now, plus t by 2 equals 6. Ready? Now, we will go for the LCM. See, this 2. We can take direct LCM. 3 2s are 6. Now, what you will do? This 2 we have to multiply here. That means 2 into bracket. What is that? 3 plus t. And the sign is plus. And this 3 will go to here. So, 3 into t. That means 3t equals 6. Ready? This implies, we'll open the bracket now. So, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Plus 2 into t. 2 into t. 2t. Ready? Plus 3t divided by is there 6, isn't it? So that will carry to next side. See, division goes to next side, multiply. That means 6 into 6, 36. Ready? See this division, if it goes to next side, it will be multiplying. This implies 6 plus 2t plus 3t. 2t plus 3t means 2 mango plus 3 mango. 2 plus 3, 5. That means 5t equals 36. Therefore, now we will take 5t. So, 5t equals 36 already in the right side. Now this 6 will carry to next side. What will happen? Plus will go to next side. Minus 6 equals 36 minus 6, 30. So we got it, that is 5t. So if you want t, what will happen? 5 will go to next side. It is multiplying. If it goes next side, divide 5. Ready? Now we'll cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Isn't it? That means we'll get t equals 6. Now what you'll do? Substitute t equals 6 in equation, which equation? Equation 3. Okay. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what will happen to equation 3? Equation 3 is this one, SC equals 3 plus t. So, SC equals 3 plus, in place of t, what you can write? In place of t, we'll write 6 equals 3 plus 6, 9. That means we got, therefore, SC equals 9 and t equals 6. These are the values. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 3. 3x minus y equals 3. After that, 9x minus 3y equals 9. So, the first one is equation number 1 and the second one is equation number 2. Ready? Now we'll take the first equation one more time. What is that? 3x minus y equals 3. Now, therefore, what you'll do? I'm taking minus y to next side, and this plus 3 will bring to next side. Ready? That means if I keep 3x, after that the 3 comes from right to the left, it will be minus 3 equals minus y goes next side plus y. Therefore, now what you can do? The entire right side will carry to left and the right side terms will carry to left. The sign will not change because both sides are interchanging. Ready? Got it? That means what you'll write? Therefore, y equals 3x minus 3. Same time, if I carry only one term from one side to other, then what will happen? The sign will change. But if you take the entire term to one side and the balance, that other terms will carry to the next side. Means interchanging left to right and right to left means the sign will not change. Okay? Now, this is equation number 3. Now what do you write? Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Ready? Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? 9x minus 3y equals 9. So, we'll write 9x minus 3. In place of y, what will write? In place of y, we will write, yes, the value of y. What is that? That is 3x minus 3. Because of two terms, better to keep in bracket. Ready? This equals 9. Ready? This implies 9x minus, opening with the 3. 3 into 3, 9. So, 3 into 3 means 9 and after that x. Now, minus into minus, plus. 3 into 3, 9. Equals 9. Ready now? 9x plus and minus will cancel. That means you will get only 9 equals 9. See? We got it, 9 equals 9. That means this implies, what you will write? This is a bit different. That means we have to write, therefore, equation 1 and equation 2 have infinite many solutions. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Let's see next question, question number 4. Say 0.2x plus 0.3y equals 1.3. Second equation, 0.4x plus 0.5y equals 2.3. First one is equation number 1. Second one is equation number 2. Ready? Now what you will do? We'll write the first equation one more time. That is 0.2x plus 0.3y equals 1.3. Ready? After that, this implies, I'm keeping only the value of y here. That means 0.3y equals 1.3 is already in the right side. Now this 0.2x will carry to the next side. Then it will be minus 0.2x. Ready? Therefore, the value of y equals 1.3 minus 0.2x. This multiplication goes next side, divided by 0.3. Is it okay? This is equation number 3. Now, substitute the value of y in equation 2. We are taking from 1, we will put into second equation. Ready? Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? That is 0.4x plus 0.5. y, in place of y, what you will write? Put the bracket. 1.3 minus 0.2x divided by 0.3, closing the bracket, equals 2.3. Ready? This implies, now we'll go for the LCM. Of course, we can open it even. I think first we'll open it, the bracket. That means 0.4x. I'll write one more step, okay? Plus, this will open it. 5 into 13. See, 0.5 into 1.3 means you have to multiply 13 into 5. 13 5s are 65, isn't it? And if you can't, you have to multiply. 3 5s are 15, 1 in hand, 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Ready? We got it now 65. But the step is 0.5 into 1.3. See, 0.5 into 1.3 equals, what you'll do means 5 into 13, we got it 65. So we'll write 65. After that, how many digits are here? You count from right to left. 1, 2. See, 1 and 2. 2 digits are there. So start from counting right to left. 1, 2 and put 1 point. So one more time. 0.5 into 13, 1.3 means we will multiply 13 into 5. We got it 65. After that, count the decimal numbers. Count the digits. 1 and 2. So 2 is there, isn't it? So we count from right to left. 1, 2. After that, put 1 point. And before that, there is no number means put 1 0. Okay. So we got it now. 0.65. Ready? Now, plus into minus. Minus. Now, 0.5 into 0.2x. 0.5 into 0.2x. That means 2 5s are 10. Anyway, I will do it. 0.5 into 0.2. First we will think only 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. After that, how many digits are here? 1, 2. So, count from right to left. 1, 2. Point. Before that, one more 0. Ready? That means what you will write? 0.10. After that, 0.5 into 0.2x. So, x more we have to keep. Divided by 0.3 equals 2.3. Okay, now we'll go for the LCM in this part. See, 0.3. Ready? Now these two will multiply. See, 4 3s are 12. I'm writing 12. After that, how many digits are here? 1, 2. Because these two will multiply, because here there is no denominator. So these 0.3 we have to multiply to here. That means 0.4 into 0.3 we will get 12. 4 3s are 12. After that 2 digits. After that 2 digits. That is 1 2 point we will put. That means before that 1 0. That means 0.12. Ready? X plus the same. What is that? 0.65 minus 0.10x equals 2.3. What I'll do means 0.12x 0.10x will join. This is plus and minus. See, plus and minus. What you'll do? Minus. That means 0.12 minus 0.10 will minus it. Ready? That means 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So we'll get, what we'll get? 0.12x minus 0.10x. These two joining time will get 0.02x. Ready? See, these two joining time, we are going to get only 0.02x. After that, what is that? Plus 0.65 equals, what I am doing, 0.3 I will carry to next side. That means we'll multiply. That means 0.3 into 2.3. So 2.3 into 0.3. This equals. Ready? Now that means 23 into 3. That means 69. If you have doubt, you have to multiply 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. We got it? 69. How many digits are here? 1, 2. So 1, 2 from right to left. Putting the point. Of course, before that one more 0, isn't it? That means 0.69. Ready? Now, that is 0.02x plus 0.65 equals 0.69. Therefore, 0.02x equals, this will carry to next side. So already here 0.69, this plus goes to next side, minus 0.65. Ready? Now what will do? 0.69 minus 0.65. Ready? That means we'll minusing time. What will get? 9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 6, 0.0. That means we'll get here 0.04. 0.02x equals 0.04. Therefore, x equals, what will happen? This 0.02 will carry to next side. It will divide. That means 0.04 divided by 0.02. Ready? Numerator and denominator both are having 2 digits. That means that both are having 2 digits means we can remove direct. Otherwise, numerator and denominator will multiply 100. Ready? That means what will happen? 0.04 divided by 0.02 into 100 into 100. Numerator and denominator will multiply. Actually, you can write direct, but just I am writing the full step. This equals, multiply with the 100 means 2 digit will remove. That means we will get only 4 divided by 2. Ready? That means what you will get? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That means the answer is 2. See what we done? When you multiply with 100, these 2 digits, that point will remove. That means 004 means only 4 will be there. And when you multiply 0.02 into 100 means this point will remove. You will get only 002 means 2. Okay. So the value of x is 2. Ready? So we'll write substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what is the third equation? Y equals 1.3 minus 0.2 into, in place of x, what will write? 2 will write. Divided by 0.3 equals 1.3 minus 2 2s are 4, isn't it? That means you will get 0.4 divided by 0.3 equals, now we'll subtract. What you will do? 1.3 minus 0.4. Ready? Now when you subtract, what will happen? 3 minus 4 we can't, so we'll carry from next, that will be 13. 13 minus 4 means 9. That means 0.9. So the answer is 0.9 divided by 0.3. 1 decimal numerator and denominator. So just you can remove direct. Actually we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. Ready? Then we'll get 9 by 3. Ready? Now we'll cancel by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3. Therefore, x equals 2 and y equals 3. Got it? Bit more long because of decimal. So what do you want to do? Practice more time. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 5. I'll read the question. Root 2x plus root 3y equals 0. Second equation. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Ready? The first equation we'll write as equation number 1. Second as equation number 2. After that, the first equation we'll write one more time. What is that? Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. From here, root 3y equals, see, root 2x goes next side, it will be minus root 2x. 0 means no need to write. Therefore, y equals minus root 2x divided by root 3. Root 3 will divide. Ready? That is equation number 3. Now what you will do? Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Ready? Therefore, equation 2 implies equation 2. What is equation 2? That is root 3x minus root 8. Y. In place of y, what will you write? Bracket minus root 2x divided by root 3 equal to 0. Ready? This implies root 3x minus, see, minus into minus, plus root 8 into root 2, see, root 8 into root 2, we can take root 2 as common. After that, 8 2s are 16. That means what you will get? 4. Ready? That means we will get here 4x by root 3 equal to 0. Ready? This implies I am taking root 3 as common LCM. Now, root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 5 into root 5, 5. That means root 3 into root 3, 3x. 3x plus 4x equals 0. That implies, see, 3x plus 4x means 3 plus 4. That means 7. So, 7x equals, see, root 3 is denominator. If it goes next side, we'll multiply. That means 0 into root 3. 0 into root 3 is 0. That means 7x equals 0. Therefore, x equals, what will happen? 0 by 7 equal to 0. Now what you will do? Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies equation. What is equation 3? That is y equals minus root 2. The value of x is 0 into 0 divided by root 3. Here in number is 0. You are going to get only 0. Otherwise, you will write 0 by root 3 equal to 0. Ready? Therefore, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. I'll write the question once. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals minus 2. Next one is x by 3 plus y by 2 equals 13 by 6. First one is equation number 1. Second one is equation number 2. Now what you will write? First equation we will write one more time. That is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals minus 2. Ready? Now what you will do means this term I am going to take to next side. Ready? And this will carry to here. That means what you will do? 3x by 2 minus 2 comes to next side plus 2 equals minus 5y by 3 goes next side, it will be plus 5y by 3. Ready? After that I am going to take here LCM. See, what is the LCM here? 2. That means we will get here 3x plus 2 into 2. We will multiply this 2, isn't it? So 2 2s are 4 equals 5y by 3. Now the entire right term will carry to left side and the left terms we will carry to right. Then the sign will not change. That means 5y by 3 equals 3x plus 4 divided by 2. Now we want the value of y, isn't it? Therefore, y equals 5 by 3, if it goes to next side, it will be 3 by 5. That means 3x plus 4 into 3 will go to next side, it will be upside. That means into 3 divided by 2 into this 5 will go to next downside. Means multiplication goes next side, divide, division goes next side, will multiply. Ready? Into 5. Ready? Now y equals, now we'll open it, 3 into 3x, that is 3 3 is 9, so 9x plus 3 into 4, 12, divided by 5 2s are, or 2 5s are 10. That is equation number 3. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2. Ready? Therefore, equation 2 implies, see the second equation, what is that? X by 3 plus. In place of y, what you can write? See, y by 2. In place of y, I can write 9x plus 12 divided by 10. After that, divided by 2. Y by 2. That by 2. We'll write here. Ready? Equals 13 by 6. Now, 2 means 2 by 1. Means what will do? If you convert this division into multiplication, this 2 by 1 become 1 by 2. Meaning, this 2 will go to denominator. Ready? That implies x by 3 plus 9x plus 12 divided by 10 into 2, 20. Ready? This 2 will go to denominator, equals 13 by 6. Now, I am going to take LCM. To take LCM, simple method is there in our video. So, what you want to do? Please go through the previous videos. LCM, the simplest way how to take LCM. Ready? We will be getting there. Ready? So, I am not going to teach you that now here. Just I will be taking normal method, that is 3 and 20. We will do by 2, 2, 3 cannot, we will bring down, 2 tens are 20, again by 2, 3 will bring down, 5 2s are 10, after that by 3, 3 1s are, 5 will bring down, after that 5, 1, 1. So LCM equals, what you will do? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. How to take LCM? The simplest method is there in one another video. Please go through that. Okay. Now, I am just writing LCM as 60. This is not the method actually. When you do it, if you want to find out very fast, you can use that method. Okay. Now, LCM I am taking as 60. Now, 3 into how much you will get 60? 3 20s are 60. That means that 20 have to multiply in the numerator. That means you will get 20 into x, that is 20x. 3. See, here we took LCM as 60. But our denominator is 3. 3 into 20 will get 60. That means that 20 will multiply in the numerator. Plus 9x plus 12 is already here. After that, what will happen? 20 into how much will get 60? 20 into 3. That 3 we have to multiply in this term. Equals 13 by 6. Now what I am going to do, both side denominator I will cancel by 6. 6 ones are 6. Now 0 will write. Here when I cancel by 6, 6 ones are 6. Now see, this implies 20x plus 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. 27x. Now 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. Divided by 10 equals 13. Okay. This implies 20x plus 27x. 20 plus 27, 47. So 47x plus 36 equals, this 10 is dividing, if it goes to next side, will multiply, isn't it? So 13 tens are 130. Ready? Therefore, 47x equals 130, 36 goes next side, minus 36. So 130 minus 36 will get 94. This implies 47x equals 94. Therefore, x equals 94 divided by 47. Now see, 47 twos are 94. If you have doubt, 47 into 2, you have to multiply and check. Ready? We'll get 94. Therefore, x equals 2. Now what will you write? Substitute x equals 2 in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what is the third equation? Third equation is y equals 9x plus 12 by 10. But in place of x, what will you write? 2 will write, isn't it? So 9 into 2 plus 12 by 10. 9 2s are 18. So 18 plus 12 by 10. 18 plus 12, 30. So 30 by 10. 0, 0 will cancel, we'll get only 3. Therefore, x equals 2 and y equals 3. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Question number 2, I'll read the question once. Solve 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 2x minus 4y equals minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals mx plus 3. Ready? So here two equations are already given. After solving the value of x and y, we have to find out the value of m. Ready? So we will use here substitution method. So what you do? First you write the first equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals 11, that is equation number 1. After that, 2x minus 4y equals minus 24, that is equation number 2. Now what you'll do? First equation we'll write one more time, that is 2x plus 3y equals 11. After that, 3y I will keep here, then this, say 11 I kept here. After that 2x will get it next side, then it will be minus 2x. Ready? Therefore, y equals 3y means 3 is multiplying, goes next side, it will divide. That means 11 minus 2x divided by 3, equation number 3. Ready? Now what will you write? Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? That is 2x minus 4y. 4. In place of y, what you will write? 11 minus 2x divided by 3. Put in bracket. Equals minus 24. Ready? This implies, now I think we'll do direct. LCM I am taking as 3. Ready? Now this 3 will multiply to here. So 3 2s are 6. After that, x minus. Now we'll open with a minus 4. Minus 4 into 11. 11 4s are 44. Now minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8x. Ready? X is there. Equals minus 24. This implies, now 6x plus 8x. 6 plus 8. Yeah. 14x minus 44 equals minus 24 is already here. this division divided by 2, if I carry to the next side, multiplying, that means into 3. Ready? This implies 14x minus 44 equals minus 4 3s are, or 3 4s are, just 24 into 3. So we can multiply like this. 4 3s are 12, 1 in hand, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. I hope you can understand. Otherwise, 24 you have to multiply separate. Ready? 24 into 3. Now, therefore, 14x equals minus 72. This minus 44 goes next side, plus 44. Now, plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus. That means 72 minus 44. 72 minus 44. See, 4 minus 2 means we cannot. So, we'll carry from here. Then it will be 12 minus 4. That means it will be 8. And here will be 6. 6 minus 4, that is 2. That means we got it now. 28. But we know that the bigger number is 72, it is minus. That's minus 28. That is 14x equals minus 28. Therefore, x equals minus 28. Multiplication goes next side. Divide 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. I am doing direct. So, we will get x equals minus 2. Now, what you will do? Substitute x equals minus 2 in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies third equation. What is the third equation? Y equals 11 minus 2 into, in place of x, what you will write? Minus 2, put in bracket, divided by 3 equals 11 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 by 3. We can cancel by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are. So the answer is 5. Ready? Therefore, x equals minus 2 and y equals 5. But already given, what is given? Given y equals mx plus 3. Ready? This implies, in place of y, what you can write? In place of y, we'll write 5. That means 5 equals m into, in place of x, what you can write? Minus 2 plus 3. This implies 5 equals minus 2 into m means minus 2m plus 3. Ready? After that, what will do? This 3 will carry to next side. That means 5 minus 3 equals minus 2m. This implies 5 minus 3, that's 2. 2 equals minus 2m. Therefore, minus 2m, this right side I will carry to left side, left will carry to right, equals 2. This implies m equals 2 by minus 2. Carry to next side. 2 by minus 2 means this minus we can write numerator, but before that we can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So, we will get minus 1 by 1, minus 1. So, m equals minus 1. Okay. So, we got it now, 1 and 2 answers. So, what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the balance and wait for the next video.